Hey everyone, so today I am showing you guys how to make an aloe vera kale smoothie. You need about 2 cups of coconut water, handful of kale, quarter cup of frozen mangoes, and a quarter cup of freshly cut aloe vera. In a blender, you're going to add your aloe vera, your coconut water, your kale, and your frozen mangoes. And you're going to blend until it's all nice and smooth. If the smoothie is too thick, feel free to add more coconut water. Don't forget to click subscribe. Do it now. Subscribe. Click notifications button. There you go. You're subscribed. Thank you. I love you guys.